unmuted.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning and welcome to our live trading room session. We would like to wish you on behalf of Trademy team a nice week ahead, and it's going to be a great week. So I would like to welcome everybody. This is Kyriakos Harilaou talking from the Forex trading desk of Trademy.com. So let's see, guys, today who is with us. As usual, we see Anne-Marie. Good morning, Anne-Marie. I see George. I see Jeff. Good morning, Jeff. Good morning, George. Good morning, Patrick. Good morning, Schultz and Peter. Good morning, Peter. And good morning, Stevens. Stevens from Australia, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. So I would like to welcome you all to our live trading room. So the morning session has started. We have already placed some positions. As you can see, these positions currently are developing well. Let's go through them very quickly and then I will explain the logic behind these positions. So the first position I have entered today is that I have shorted Aussie dollar at 0.7542, stop loss at 0.71112, and take profit 0.7092. So this is the first trade. Let's have a look on Aussie dollar. So basically I like Aussie dollar because the price is trading below the MA of 200 periods, and as you can see on the 15-minute chart, the current trend of the daily is downtrend. MACD has just crossed below the trigger line, the zero line, and I believe that it will fall. The second trade for the moment is our best performing trade, is Euro Yen. I have shorted also Euro Yen, a very nice bearish setup on the MAs. As you can see, the price is already approaching our take profit. So I have shorted Euro Yen with a stop loss at 130.474 and a take profit at 130.554. Nice bearish cross on the MAs. We are going for a correction. Nice bearish momentum confirmation on MACD and the signal line of MACD, and the RSI has just crossed the 30 level to the downside, indicating an increasing strong bearish, very strong bearish momentum for the moment. For a third trade for the day, similarly as Euro Yen, we can see that this morning, and due to Italy's problems regarding budgets, the Euro dollar has lost again the 115 round number, so we have been short on Euro USD with a stop loss at 115.584 and a take profit at 114.664. So again, we observe a bearish cross of the MAs, a very bearish setup of the MAs, similarly to Euro Yen. The MACD is within a bearish territory. The signal line of MACD is pointing downwards, and RSI has just crossed below the 30 line, indicating an increasingly very strong bearish momentum for the Euro dollar. Moving on, dollar CAD. We have entered long positions on dollar CAD with a stop loss at 129.32 and a take profit at 1.3024. Now, is the opposite case here. We see a bullish setup on the MAs. We see that the MA of 200 periods is here, the 50, the 20, and the 10. A very strong bullish momentum. RSI is currently trading above 70. No divergences for the moment. Is staying above 70. It's indicating to me a very strong bullish momentum, and I believe that we will do great also on dollar CAD. Also, MACD confirms the momentum. Higher highs on MACD, signal line pointing upwards, and we have a bullish cross on MACD. So everything is bullish on dollar CAD. For the moment, I see no reason why not entering long positions. And last but not least, dollar yen. Dollar yen, you see here that the MAs have entered a bearish setup The MACD has turned negative, has just turned negative into a bearish momentum together with the signal line, and the RSI is also within a bearish momentum territory below 50 equilibrium level. So we have entered also short positions on dollar yen with a stop loss at 114.328 and take profit at 113.408. So this trend is against the daily trend, but for intraday trading purposes, it seems that it will be a correction day for the dollar yen. Now, what do we mean by corrections? They are directional movements which are against the trend, the daily trend. So if we have a look on dollar CAD, for example, if we have a look on dollar yen, not dollar CAD, dollar yen, we see that the current daily trend is in an uptrend. But we have entered short positions because for the moment, the technical analysis tools that I'm using, it is indicating to me that today it will be a correction day. So I repeat, corrections, they are in the opposite directional movement of the daily trend. Aussie, so we have one trade which is against the daily trend, dollar yen. Another trade which is against the daily trend is dollar CAD, because as you can see, dollar CAD is within a downward sloping channel. Good morning, Alan, and welcome. So as you can see, dollar CAD on the daily chart is within a downward sloping channel with lower highs and lower lows, which technically this defines a downtrend. Okay, so if I draw my trend line here, it seems that we are in a downtrend. However, I have entered long positions, so that's the second pair that I'm trading against the trend. So that will be very interesting. So that's the second pair that I'm trading against the trend. Why? Because the 15-minute chart has a very strong bullish signal. So we have two trades against the trend. Euro dollar is with the trend. Aussie dollar is with the trend. Let's have a look now on euro yen to determine the trend. Another contrarian daily trend trading is euro yen, because it is still an uptrend. Of course, one can say that, let me show you. I will answer to that, Alan. One can say that the daily trend has been broken because we see a downward penetration of the daily uptrend line. However, this has not been accompanied by a failure swing price pattern. So for me, still, this is a daily trend contrarian trade. So we have three trades which are against the daily trend. Okay, we have dollar yen short, dollar CAD long, and short euro yen. And we have two positions which are with the trend. Okay, so three daily contrarian trend trades for the moment, two with the trend, Aussie dollar, euro dollar with the daily trend, euro yen, dollar CAD, and dollar yen positions are against the daily trend. Now, yes, Alan, Liverpool hasn't managed to win, but at the same time, it hasn't managed to lose against the City. And for the moment, there are three teams, Chelsea, City, and Liverpool, at the top of the Premier League. It sounds like risk management. Yes, and not only that, I think that we have 2-3 more teams, just 2 points behind the top three. So it's going to be a very exciting Premier League season, I believe. So these are the current 5 positions that I have opened. I have clearly explained my thinking about them. So I repeat that I have placed 3 daily contrarian trend trades: short on euro yen, long on dollar CAD, short on dollar yen. And I have also placed 2 daily trend following trades: short Aussie dollar and short euro dollar. For euro dollar, many people are asking me about euro dollar. As a first step, I believe we will test 114.50ish to 60ish area, and then we will see how it goes. So that's the current Forex update. I see that the leaf has just shorted Italy 40, which opened with a huge gap to the downside. So let's go straight to a leaf to explain us what the Italy 40 situation is.
Good morning, everybody. Thank you, Kyriakos, for the past. Yes, I hope you had all a great start in the morning. We had here on the indice market a nice start, let's say, a nice start. We had few trades open from last Friday, and we closed them all, and we are up to $21,000 profit so far. Not bad, guys. These are the trades from Friday afternoon, and we closed them today with $21,000 profit. Nice one. So we start quite nice this morning, and last week, as you know, everything was quite down. If we check, for example, Nasdaq, let me see on daily chart, the whole week it was dropping. Yeah, 20K Sinatra. Ellen, yes, I know Sinatra 20K, but yeah, I have to get it in front of you to give you Sinatra, right? However, However, the market drops very strong. As you know, the 10-year bond of USA is on a 7 years high, which means when we look at the bigger picture, 7 years high means more payouts. Also, the interest rates seem to be ready for faster hikes, since the unemployment rate is as low as 50 years ago. So it's in general, the economy looks quite good and positive, which makes the interest rate decision to be up quite soon, and this makes all the indices to be a bit further under pressure. And this is what we see. All indices, especially Italy 40 is dropping very strongly. DAX, we are in a very strong channel. I was looking at in the morning, this morning, we are in a very strong channel. And also here, I'm going also here for a sell position on DAX. There we go. We opened a sell position on DAX. On our Italy 40 position, we are making already $300. A nice one. Let's put a take profit on the Italy 40 position. It's below 20,000. Italy 40. Yeah, Ellen, you opened it with me. Great. Italy 40, guys, it's below 20,000. Imagine. Few weeks ago it was above 21,000, and now it's below 20,000. It's incredible. It's really incredible. But on the same time, what happened? It's the budget. They have huge deficit in the budget, and as you know, within the European Union, you can make a certain amount of loans, and you have to keep your GDP at 3%, and Italy is not managing to do so, and they are asking for more debts. So the trade balance will be really bad, and it will affect also the European trade balance. And this big discussion forces the Italy 40 to drop extremely, and it started last week. And also the DAX was under pressure because of this. And well, it's a quite interesting market right now. And however, what I wanted to tell is, Since it's below 20,000, we have to be a bit carefully. So we can't aim for big profits here, because anytime it can shoot also again above 20,000. It's we have to see. We will get small profits, see how it works, and then close the position. So let's see. Right now, our indicators are pointing a downtrend. That's why I will keep it, and we will see. We will see. Let me see. I will put a take profit at 19,942. This is my take profit, and I'm aiming around. Let's see how it falls. Currently, we are making $600 on Italy 40, which is good, which is nice. And I see that my stochastic oscillator still is pointing a downtrend. It's still pointing a downtrend. So I'm expecting the position to run a bit more. Let's go to DAX. We have also a position on DAX, as you know. Also here, when we go to the one-day chart, we see we are in a channel. We are in a channel, and it is, guys, DAX has a bit stronger resistant points, and now it's traded at 12,023.15. And I think the 11,000, the 12,000 level, it's a stronger one. Guys, on Italy 40, we are making $1,200. It dropped again. However, let's put here also a take profit. Let's put here a take profit at 12,002. 12,002 is our take profit. If it drops below 12,002, then it's going to be a good one. At 12,002, we have also our Bollinger Band. So we will see if it will cross again the Bollinger Band or not. We will see. So guys, these are the two first trades for today, and we will go for our next trade, UK 100. UK 100 is extremely interesting the days now, because we have another 6 months to go for the Brexit. And this will cause definitely some. I'm looking at Italy 40, $1,500, guys. Ellen, how much are you making right now on Italy 40? Shall we close the Italy 40 position, guys, with $1,500? Yeah, I think we will close it with $1,500 profit. Okay, Ellen, that's good. Let me wait with you, and we will. Okay, you are $600. Easy earned $600 within 9 minutes, right? Right, Ellen? So let's go. Let's go. Let's close. I will close my position. There we go, guys. I just closed my position. Ching, ching, with $1,500 on Italy 40 within 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes. Not bad. So the first ching, ching for the morning. So we closed our first trade for the morning. Anybody except of Ellen took this trade? If so, enjoy the money. On Monday morning, everybody needs money. You know, during the weekend you spend like hell money, and then on Monday you want to earn extra money. I know, Ellen. I know, I can imagine that your wife was going for shopping during the weekend. Maybe we should ban the weekend. What do you think, guys? To watch shopping. So, let me see. Next one, UK 100. I was thinking about UK 100. Okay, also Italy 40. Always we have to keep an eye on Italy 40. It started now to pull back again. We have a small pullback, and then the next, if it goes a bit higher, I will short again. I will short again Italy 40, but I want a bit stronger pull up. Yeah, a bit more strong, a bit more up, and then I will sell it again. Let's put a nice sell limit. I will put a sell limit. What do you think, guys? Yes, I will put a sell limit on Italy 40. Yeah, there we go. We are already at, I entered this one at, okay. Previous stop comment, pending order, sell limit, and I want to sell at 19,988. Okay, I will sell again at 19,988. This is my sell limit on Italy 40, and we see if we will get triggered this trade. So next one, let me see on gold, what we will do on gold. Gold had also a very strong drop today, guys. It had a very strong drop. It's below. It reached almost 1,192. Let me see. Okay, on gold we have to be a bit carefully. Okay, on gold I will go short also on gold. There we go. I just opened a short position on gold, and I will put here a take profit, guys. I will put a take profit. Very narrow. We go very narrow, just 50 cents. We go just with 50 cents. These are approximately $2,500 profit. Just with 50 cents, it's 1,193.35. This is our take profit on this position, and it's just $2,500. Gold is giving us right now $200. Gold. DAX is giving us $400. Oh, we missed Italy 40. We missed Italy 40. Wait a bit more. We missed this awful. We missed a nice entry. However, it will come again, guys. It will come again. So go back to DAX. Wow, DAX is nice. Italy 40 will drop as well, I think, right now. Okay, guys, I'm selling again Italy 40. I just sold again Italy 40. And I will put a take profit very narrow. Also here, I will go for a narrow take profit. Okay, on currently it's at 19,900. 25. So I'll put over there my take profit at 19,925. I see that Kyriakos has an update. I will pass to Kyriakos and we'll see what's happening here. Bye, guys.
Okay, guys, we are getting ready to hit our take profit short positions on Euro Yen. We are just one pip away from our take profit. We are talking about $1,530. So as you can see now, the price is falling nicely, and soon the ask price will reach the 554 level, which is our take profit level, of course. So our best performing trade this morning is currently making us $1,500, and we are just half a pip away from the take profit. So get ready to hit take profit on Euro Yen. Those of you who have followed us, I repeat that you can close your positions at any time you wish at your own personal discretion. The same applies that if you wish to follow us or not. So guys, I'm just showing here how I am trading. So it's your responsibility whether or not to follow us and whether or not to manage your risk accordingly. So Euro Yen is getting ready to hit take profit. Now we see a small rebound to the upside, but shortly we will hit our TP. Now let's see how the other pairs are doing. As you can see, all of the positions are making money for the moment. And actually I'm thinking of adding more positions. I think I will short also the Kiwi. Let me see the setup if it's nice. Okay guys, I'm going short the Kiwi. I will short also the Kiwi. Just a moment. Kiwi. Let me short Kiwi. So short Kiwi. I will open a short position on the Kiwi. All right, there we go. Okay guys, we just hit our take profit on Euro Yen, and we just made our first $1,540, and also we have just opened a short position on the Kiwi. So let me update you on that. So Euro Yen just hit take profit $1,539. Our first position for the moment. Thank you very much, Alan. And we have just also entered short positions on the Kiwi. We shorted it at 0.64354. I put a stop loss at 0.64924. And I put also a take profit at 0.64383. So this is the last position I have opened. So we are left now with 5 positions again. We started with 5, we are left with 5 since we closed one position on Euro Yen. Let's go around and check the other pairs, how they are performing. Let's go and see Euro Dollar. It has lost the 115 support level. I think we are going further down, guys, on Euro Dollar. A very nice bearish setup, a very strong bearish momentum on my intraday indicators, RSI, MACD, parabolics, moving averages, Bollinger Bands. The price is called now, if the price is on the band, it says the price is walking on the bands. So a very nice bearish setup on Euro Dollar. Same attitude with Aussie Dollar. Aussie Dollar, however, is a much premature case of a fall. The move has just started. We will see if it will follow the direction of Euro Dollar. Dollar CAD is also making us money. I repeat, Dollar CAD is a daily trend contrarian trade. The same goes for Euro Yen. There are some cases where we should go with the daily trend, and there are some cases where we need to go against the daily trend. If you would like to know when is what, you can arrange a one-to-one session with me, and I will be fully explaining you the procedure I'm following to decide whether I will go with the daily trend or whether I will go against the daily trend. So in order to arrange a one-to-one session, guys, with us, you need to speak with your personal account managers at trademy.com. Moving on, dollar yen is falling nicely. That's, for example, a daily trend contrarian trade, which is working very well. It's falling nicely. Nice clustering of the MAs. A huge boom to the downside is expected. Bearish momentum on MACD and signal line. Very strong bearish momentum on the RSI. So we are doing well. And the last trade I have opened, which is a trend following trade. This means that this trade follows the direction of the daily trend or the daily time frame. I have just shorted the Kiwi, targeting lower levels, much lower than the ones we have seen today. I think we are approaching 64 or 63.80. Of course, only time will show how our trades will develop. And of course, you will be the best ones to know if I change any of my trades. So, Stevens, you have any questions? I see an okay, thank you. Any questions at all, guys? If you have any questions regarding any of the trades, have you understand the logic of these trades, why I have placed them like this, feel free to ask them in the chat room, okay? So, I will be here for you. For the moment, we are watching the trades develop. Our best performer now is Euro Dollar, and Euro Dollar, guys, is going further down. How long do you expect the position? Okay, Stevens, okay, let me explain something. A very good question, first of all, and thank you for that. There is the misconception out there that the trader is determined if it is a scalper, an intraday trader, or a short-term trader, depending on how long the trades are open. No, not at all. When you say you are an intraday trader, does not have to do with how long you keep your positions. When you are an intraday trader, is the time frame that you make your trading decisions that matters. So if you are looking for 1 hour time frames and lower, up to 15 or even 5 minutes, because these time frames are more short term than others, you are called intraday trader. Now, I cannot estimate at all how long this position will take to hit TP, and nobody can do that. I call myself intraday trader because the time frames I'm using and analyzing to take a decision are below 4 hours. It's 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. So that's why I call myself an intraday trader. Now, the duration of the trade, I don't know it. Maybe it closes today, maybe tomorrow, maybe Wednesday. But that is not what defines the time frame of a trader. If you say that you are a daily trader, it means that you are studying the 4 hour and the daily charts, and you take your decision based on these charts. If you say that you are an intraday trader, it means that you are taking your decisions exactly from 1 hour and lower. So thank you very much for responding back. That's why I'm here, to answer any questions. A very nice question, Stevens, and well done. If you have any other questions, like the beautiful question Stevens asked me, don't hesitate to contact me via the chat room. So for the moment, the trades are developing well. We have already closed one position. We are monitoring the best performing trade for the moment, which is our euro dollar trade. Remember that with 5 lots, I'm aiming for an additional $1,750, and you see that is developing really nicely. I really like what I see. I would love to know, guys, if you have followed us on these trades. We have already closed one position, and I see a leaf that has an update, so we will back soon.
Hey guys, we have some movements. Look at this. We have movements on ching. We just closed another trade. We just closed another position, guys, on gold with $3,100 profit. Ching, another one. $3,100 profit this morning, and we needed for this trade 12 minutes. So we have also movements on Italy 40 and on DAX. Let me see on Italy 40. Yes, we are very close to hit our take profit also on Italy 40, guys. Guys, we hit also our take profit on Italy 40. There we go. $700 extra on Italy 40. And also for this trade, we needed 11 minutes and we increased our, yes, we increased our profit so far to 26,566. Oh, also Kyriakos has some money to tell us.
Guys, we just closed our positions on dollar yen, as you can see, with another $1,543, raising our daily profit so far to a bit more than $3,000. So we have the other trades remaining. Let's go straight back to Elif. Sorry for the interruption, Elif. We are back to you. Thank you.
Here I am back. No worry, Kyriakos, about the interruption. I'm always happy to hear money is coming, right, guys? Thank you, Helen, for your nice words. I hope you can make some money as well. And guys, we don't stop. We go again short on Italy 40. I just opened again an Italy 40 position short. And I will go. Now we have to be a bit more carefully. Let me put the take profit at 19,900. 900. I will put my take profit at 19,900, and I'm sure that we will see here very often that it might try to hit that level and it will not, and it will not get there, and see what's happening. Let me see. With this trade, it will get there. I'm aiming another $700. Also on gold, we have to check on gold here. And I'm expecting gold to go up to 1,194, and then I will sell gold again, guys. This is what I will do. I will sell gold again. It's a nice day today, guys, right? We start very nicely in the morning with $21,000 profit. And now we made another few thousands, and we are very close to our $30,000. Ellen, once I'm getting to $30,000, guess what you will hear? Yes, you will hear Sinatra. You will hear Sinatra. So guys, I'm getting ready now for gold. I will sell gold. I want to sell gold, but I want to wait until it goes up to 1,194, and then I want to sell it. Yep. So we are very close to sell again gold, guys. Very close to sell again gold. I'm expecting the better price to enter a gold position. Getting there. Get ready, guys. We are ready to sell gold. We will go again short on gold. I'm looking at the 1 minute chart, and I want a cross here to sell gold. I want a cross there to sell gold, guys. And then I have to see what I want to do with my DAX position. if I adjust the take profit, or if I close the position maybe. There we go. We sell now gold. Guys, we just sold gold. And my take profit on gold is at 1,193.10. This is my take profit. On gold, it's approximately $3,000, $4,000, not bad. Yep, this is my position right now. So we went again short. Let me write it down. We went again short on gold. We entered at 1,193.91. Our take profit is at 1,193.10. This is my gold trade, guys. And we will get there soon. So on DAX, what's going on DAX? I have now my 3-chart system. I'm watching, I have 3 positions open. I'm watching Italy 40 here. I'm watching DAX here and gold here. Okay, Italy 40, we get another on DAX. We are making right now another take profit is coming close. On Italy 40, we hit again our take profit with $763. Another one position, and Italy 40 dropped below 19,900, guys. 19,900. On DAX, no, I will not adjust my take profit. Let's see what will happen. I put my take profit at 12,001, guys. 12,001. At 12,001, I put my take profit on. On DAX. Currently, we are making $500. On Italy 40, we will sell again Italy 40, guys. We just sold again Italy 40. Italy 40 is on a downhill. 19,000, we go now for 19,000. Our take profit on Italy 40 is 19,850. I have still this pending order, as you remember. I still have this pending order running over there. I will delete this pending order. There we go. I just deleted the pending order because it's already too long time since we made the analysis, and it doesn't make sense to keep it there because we made the analysis based on our 5 minutes chart, and our take profit level which we put for that pending order is already done. It's already over, so let's wait. We removed it and we keep an eye on the rest. So with this trade, I put, guys, now you might ask yourself why I put now a take profit which on Italy 40, which is worth around $2,900. There is a very simple explanation I told you also before. If it drops below 19,900, it will continue. If Italy 40 would have had a reversal at 19,900, we should have gone long, but currently it broke through the 19,900 level, and it looks like it still will go down. It's now at 19,887, and that's why I put a bigger take profit on this trade. It might take a bit longer time, but I believe in general today Italy 40 is on downhill. What do you think, guys? Looks like a downhill. So on DAX, I have to see what I will do. I am making profits on DAX, but as you can see, it's struggling a lot as expected at the 12,000 level. It's struggling a lot at that level. So maybe we have to take action and maybe close the position with a bit smaller profit than expected. Just 1,000 euros, I think, would be okay. Yeah, we changed our take profit to, on DAX, we changed our take profit. We adjusted our take profit on DAX to 12,004.77. It's approximately a $1,000 profit over here. Currently, we are making on that trade $500. But as you can see, it is really facing difficulties to break below the 1,200 level. It's a very strong resistance level. It's a psychological level. And that's why I took my take profit a bit higher. And also here on DAX, as I'm expecting on Italy 40, as I was expecting on Italy 40, and it happened finally. If it drops below 1,200, then we can go short. Then it's a very strong down signal and we can go short. We can really close our eyes and go short. I can close my eyes and go short and dream of the luxury products I'm planning to buy during the next weekend. So let's go for the next one. I'm really thinking if I should close now Italy 40. No, I will leave it. On gold, I have to see. It got stuck in this level as well. Let's see what we will do with it. Gold. Italy 40 started to give us money, but Italy 40, it's so... Peter is asking me, hello Peter, welcome. If it's too late to trade gold, actually it's not too late because you would get now a better price on gold, but I wouldn't recommend now to go short. Wait a bit more because I'm expecting gold price to go a bit higher and then to make a big drop. So just wait a few minutes more. I will maybe I'm planning to increase my exposure because right now I see that gold will go a bit further up for a while at around 1,194.50. It will go up and then I'm expecting a huge drop. So maybe you can, if you like to enter at that level, would be a better level to enter. Guys, get ready. On DAX, we want to enter again our DAX position. not enter again. We are close to hit our take profit on our DAX position. We are right now up $27,000, guys. $27,000. Now, any moment we will hit our take profit on DAX. Looks nice. However, Italy 40, for me, Italy 40 today, it's a really, really nice environment to trade. It's so nice. It goes so nice down. I think you can just close your eyes and go for a short position. Just close the eyes and go, and it will be okay. Get ready for DAX. Guys, get ready for our next DAX trade. There we go, $1,000 on DAX. We hit another $1,000 on DAX, and we increased our profit so far to $28,000. Ching ching, guys. $28,000 so far on this Monday morning. It's nice. I told to Ellen, when we hit our $30,000 level, Sinatra will welcome us. Sinatra. So let's see. Italy 40. The next one we are looking currently is Italy 40. Italy 40 is making also some profits today. Let's see what is gold or oil doing. It's been some time. Ooh, we missed this nice oil drop. It's such a shame we missed this nice drop on oil. Let me check it out. Let me check it out. If we find any nice entry level, maybe we will enter again an oil trade today. Let me see. Oh, such a shame that we missed it. But as I always say, the opportunity is just waiting out of the door. We just need to go and grab it. So on oil, I will put yep, I will put on oil a sell limit. I will put a sell limit on oil, guys. Okay, let me see. Let's go with 100 lots on oil. I will go market execution, sell limit, and I want that I start selling oil at $73 and 680. There we go. This is my sell limit on oil. Let's put us also a nice take profit here. Take profit at 73.450. This is my next trade. Will be nice. Italy 40 is developing quite nicely, guys. Italy 40. Let's see how it's going on. Needs a bit more time to develop, but still we paid off our spreads and we are making money On gold, as I said, gold seems like it will pull a bit back, and this is what happened. And I will wait now and see when I will enter my next position and increase my exposure on gold. It might take a bit time. Let me see. Okay. We need a bit time for gold to enter again our next sell position. Be a bit patient with gold and it will be okay. Guys, so far we made $28,000 today. $28,000 so far today, and I'm expecting to hit my $30,000 profit. And also very nice to know that slowly again the earning release period for Q3 quarter 3 in the States started. Also here, also in Europe, slowly the shares, they started to report their earning releases. So we will face again nice volatilities on the markets. I will keep you posted. I think it's going to be on the 16th of October. Netflix will be one of the big ones which will report the earnings, and well, I'm expecting quite nice movements on the markets because of the earnings. I see Kyriakos has some updates for you guys. Let's pass to Kyriakos.
Thank you very much, Eli, for the update. So basically, the only update that I have is that as I have informed you in the chat room, I have entered a new long position. First time we are trading this pair this week. A long position on dollar CHF at 0.99206. I have placed my stop loss at 0.98636 and my take profit a bit above 99.50 at 99.556. Now, what's the reason of that? First of all, that's remember that on Euro Yen and Dollar Yen, on Euro Yen it was a daily trend following technique, on Dollar Yen it was a daily contrarian trend technique. Now, on Dollar CHF, it is a daily trend following technique. We see that the daily trend, it has broken the downward uptrend line, is going up, and it's a trend following trade. So I have decided on dollar CHF to follow the trend. On euro dollar, I have decided to follow the trend. On the Aussie dollar, I have decided to follow the trend. On dollar CAD, this is a daily trend contrarian trade. Kiwi to follow the trend, and dollar CHF to follow the daily trend as well. We have closed positions on our trend following position on euro yen and on our contrarian trade following position on dollar yen. Currently we are up a bit more than $3,080. If you would like to have a one-to-one session with me, guys, in order to show you the process and the way I'm thinking whether to follow a daily trend following trade or a contrarian daily trend following trade, you can arrange a one-to-one session. The only thing you need to do is to contact your account manager at trademy.com, and you can arrange one-to-one sessions either with myself, Kyriakos, or with Elif. So that's all I have for the moment. No further updates. Currently, I have 6 positions. I have 5 trades open and running. The majority of them are in the money. So as you can see, also we are getting close to hit our third trade for today. Euro dollar is marginally within our price target now, just 10 pips away. I believe that we will should hit our third profitable trade, and I see that the Elif has an update.
Italy 40 position is very ching ching, we hit another take profit on our Italy 40 position, $2,197 on Italy 40, and we needed for this trade 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, we made $2,197. So, guys, let's look at the profits. What's about the profits? What is saying? And what I promised you guys, what I promised you, when we see the $30,000, we will have a nice song, right, Ellen? So let's go for Sinatra. Let's enjoy the Moonfly.
Among the stars, let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, baby, kiss me. Fill my heart with song. Let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true.
So guys, nice song, and we still go on. The day is very nice to trade more, and I'm going again short on Italy 40. Guys, I went again short on Italy 40, and this time what I will do, the trade is so clear, the trade is so there. I just want to leave this trade run, and I will put always a negative stop loss. I will leave it run to make a profit of $2,000. Once it starts to make a profit above $2,000, I will start putting slowly a positive stop loss. What a positive stop loss is, I will explain once we start to get there. I will come live and explain you what I'm doing, but for that I have to wait until the profits run. I have to wait until the profits run. So this is one thing. The other thing, Peter asked me if it's too late to enter gold. I told him to wait a bit more. We are expecting still a reversal, and still the reversal is not there. I will increase my position also on gold once I see the reversal. I'm expecting the reversal at around 1,194-ish, 5-ish. Let's wait a bit more for that. Then on oil, I have a sell limit. I put a sell limit to go short. Here I'm looking on the 15 minutes chart, and once I see here a nice cross, I might enter immediately on oil and not wait for the sell limit. Also on DAX, we have a pullback here, and when we check the 15 minutes chart, what's happening? And once the pullback is over, I will enter again a trade on DAX. So these are the expectations for the day. We made so far $30,000. We have still the whole day to trade. The markets are really nice today. We have really strong trends, clear trends, and today we will be trend following, guys, until we see that the trend ends. So far from me, I'm waiting here for the markets to give me the next entry levels, and I'm passing to Kyriakos. Kyriakos, please feel free.
So nothing has changed so far, guys. The last position I have open is dollar CHF, where I have entered long position dollar CHF. We are monitoring the chart of euro dollar. I have entered short position since the morning, as I have informed you. It's currently my best performer for the moment. I will keep an eye on it, and if we have any updates, we will go live and inform you straight about them. So this brings us to the end of our morning trading session. Currently, I have 5 trades running, as you can see here. The majority of them are in a plus sign. We will see how the day goes. It looks very interesting, and we will update you. We will come back again live at 1 p.m. UTC time for our afternoon session. In the meantime, as you know, for those of you who have been long enough with us, we're always here live in the chat room to answer any questions you have. Thank you very much for watching us this morning. We will see you again in approximately 4 hours from now. So get in touch with us via the chat room. Thank you very much, and we will see you in a short while.
Then short on gold, I'm increasing my exposure. There we go. I entered again a short position on gold, and let's hope to get some extra money out of it. So enjoy the move.
Hello traders again. As we can see, our euro dollar trade is developing well. The bid price has almost touched our take profit. So we are patiently waiting for the trade to develop. Thank you. Okay guys, we are very close now. Our euro dollar position is getting ready to hit with take profit. The market has broken daily lows again. So as you can see, we are just 4 pips, less than 4 pips away from our ask price triggering price of take profit. So get ready for a TP at any moment now. Euro dollar has been declining nicely since the morning. So let's switch to the 1 minute chart. So it tested again our bid price, but the ask price has never reached our take profit level. So we are patiently waiting for the trade to hit TP. We just need to cover the spread. So if we see a price around 114.64, 64.5 bid price, I believe that we will close our position with profit. The target of this trade is $1,750. Well done to those who have followed us. I want to repeat that if at any time you feel comfortable with the profits, you can close your positions at your absolutely own discretion. The same applies when following trades. Here I'm just showing how I'm personally trading. Nobody is obligating you to follow us any of our trades. These trades are done purely for educational purposes. There we go, guys. We are just 2 pips away now. We are monitoring the 1 minute chart of euro dollar. There we go. Another fall. There it is. Let's see. We have 1.5 pip spread on euro dollar. Any moment will hit. So we are currently making $1,590. Our profit is $1,750 for this position. And if this trade closes, then we will raise our daily profit to 3 out of 3 trades, 100% success rate, and approximately very close to $5,000, $4,700 more or less, which is a very good statistic for me this morning. So the week most probably started well. But as I say many times, we cannot party unless a TP is hit. Okay, so unless we hit TP, nothing is closed, nothing is realized. So I'm not even excited about this number since it is not realized. As soon as this number ends in my pockets, then I will get excited. So you are monitoring the screen of the 1 minute chart, and very soon I will come back telling you the good news about euro dollar. So guys, good news. We have just closed also our 3rd position for the day. 3 out of 3 for us here at Trademy.com in the Forex desk. and we have made $1,750 from our euro-dollar position, raising our daily profits to a bit more than $4,800. So 3 out of 3. Stand by for more, guys. Let's check how our other trades are doing. They are developing very well, and we will update you if we have any changes.
Hello guys, ching 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 ching. Welcome to the short session. Now we just hit take profit on our 2 gold trades, guys. It was a bit difficult because the market was not moving at all since the morning, since we finished our morning session, and now the last 2 minutes we had a huge move on gold. You can see it over here. Here's almost no trading range, and then now it had a huge move, and it still continues. The move still continues to move down, and we made on this move on 2 trades $5,000, and we increased our profit so far to $35,000, guys. $35,000, a huge profit, and we still have the whole afternoon session in front of us, and we will see how the market will react. But really, it took us a time until we got this move, but yeah, you see, it's quite moving. Now I will not trade again for now on gold, and I will explain you why, guys. Here we go. Let's look at the 1-day chart. We are looking on the daily chart. Like gold is traded quite, yes, Stephen, thank you. Thank you, Stephen. It's been some, well, it's quite in a low price. Gold is traded in a low price. Last week we reached this level, and then we jumped again high, and now it's again in a low level. I'm not sure if it will go below 1,190. That's why I will not risk to trade this extra $1 of difference. I will just observe the market and see if I see that there is something happening and going on. I will enter, but right now I will just wait and see how it reacts. But so far, $35,000. Let's have a quick look of all our trades so far today. Italy 40 was one of our money bringing assets today. Gold was one of our money bringing assets. And yeah, on DAX we made some money, and now we are waiting for the US opening, and we will enjoy the trades. So 35K so far. Maybe we will reach today 40K. Let's see, guys. So thanks a lot, and see you in the afternoon session. Bye bye.
Okay, guys, a nice setup has been formed on pound yen. So I will go short straight away pound yen. So that's our next trade for this morning, for this afternoon. So I'm going short 5 lots pound yen. It's a very nice setup. So we have just shorted pound yen, as you can see. So short pound yen with a stop loss at 148.379 and a take profit at 147.459. So that's the latest update I have. Currently the remaining orders and trades are developing. We are short Aussie dollar, long dollar CAD, short the Kiwi, long dollar CHF, and we have just shorted pound yen as well. So we see that our best performing trade for the moment is dollar CHF. So let's go straight to dollar CHF. our long position is developing nicely, and I think we will approach the take profit shortly. Currently, we have closed positions on euro yen, on dollar yen, and on euro dollar. 3 out of 3 today, $4,800 profit. So our afternoon session will start in approximately 15 minutes. You are watching my screen. Stand by for further updates. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to our afternoon trading session. How are you today? Let's check, guys, who is with us. I see Adrian. Welcome, Adrian. Welcome, Alan. Hello, Daniel. Long time to see you. Welcome back. It's nice to have you here as well. Welcome, Fanos. I see George online. Jeff, Laura, Mary. Welcome, Mary. Welcome, Laura. Welcome, Patrick. Welcome, Roberto. Welcome to our afternoon trading session. Hello, Steven, and welcome. Hello, Stevens, and hello, Terence. So welcome, guys. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, traders, to our afternoon live trading session. This is Kyriakos Hailau talking from the Forex trading desk of Trademy.com. Let's take a quick review what we have done today. Today, my success rate is very good. 3 out of 3 so far. No reverse trades, straight to the point, straight TPs, no reversal of trades today. The markets moved exactly as I want them for the moment, and with 5 lots for each position, we have managed to make a total of more than $4,800 realized profits. So, what do we have for the moment? I have a short position at 0.7542, and I want to repeat myself that it's at your own personal discretion whether or not to follow me on these trades. However, I need to stress out that if you see a minus sign there and you decide to follow me now, it means that you will get this position at a much better price than what I did, and also your reward to risk ratio will be greater. If you see a plus there, like Dora Cat, if you decide to follow me, you will get a worse price than when I did, and your reward to risk ratio will be worse. So if you see a minus sign there and you decide to follow me, you will be in a better position than me. If you see a plus sign there and you decide to follow me, you will be in a much worse condition, worse price than what I did. So we have entered the last trade I have triggered, and I have of course informed you straight away in the chat room, is a short position on pound yen, and it's a very interesting pair to watch out. Now, the reason now somebody will ask me why you haven't short pound yen since the morning. Well, there are 2 reasons. First of all, again, pound yen for me, it's a daily trend contrarian trade. It's one of the trends that we are going against. It's one of the trades that we are going against the daily trend, and you can see why. It's an uptrend on the daily. However, I was simply waiting for the MA of 200 periods on the 15-minute charts to break to the downside, which it did. It relaxed a bit, and now my parabolics and the MACD is below 0, and RSI, they are looking good. So I have decided to enter now a short position on pound yen. My take profit, I just want to see another dive, and here it is, our take profit. Aussie dollar. The Aussie dollar was a bit confusing today. Aussie dollar is a trend following trade. It means that it follows the trend of the daily chart. Now, why I have shorted it? Because first of all, the pair is trading below its MA of 200 periods. And at the time I have shorted in the morning, the parabolics, the MACD, and all the signals were in a bearish mode. Now, what happened? We had a huge rebound to the upside. But as you can see, this rebound didn't last long, and the price is now trying again to break below the MA50 again. So for the moment, nothing to worry about this trade. The second trade I have entered in the morning is a long position on dollar CAD. That's another daily trend trade. So I'm following the daily trend. Actually, it's a contrarian daily trend trade because, as you can see, we have a failure swing on the daily. We have a trend line here. So it's another daily trend contrarian trade for intraday trading purposes, of course. And the reason is very simple. I have entered long positions because the 15-minute chart, as you can see, the moving averages are in line, and the parabolics at the time of entry were very good, and MACD is above zero, and also RSI is within a bullish momentum. It was within a bullish momentum territory. So it will be very interesting again to see how this trade will develop. From the morning is going up. So let's see if we will manage and break the daily highs, the 130 basically level again, which is based on what I see in front of me right now. I'm expecting a bit of a consolidation, and then MACD values will start to rise again. And why not hit our fourth trade for the day? The Kiwi, similar pattern to the Aussie dollar. However, the difference between the Kiwi, we have a short position on the Kiwi and a short position on Aussie dollar. Now, have a look on the difference between the two. Aussie dollar is still trying to break its MA50 to the downside. The Kiwi, however, is already trading below MA50. So for me, the Kiwi has now turned to be more bearish for the moment than the Aussie dollar. So it's looking good as well. The fourth trade I have, it's a long position on dollar CHF, is developing very well for the moment. We are currently in an uptrend. Now a shooting star has appeared around the 99.50 level, a bit worrying for me, but we will see how it will go. We see a bullish setup on the MAs, parabolics are staying up, the bullish momentum of the MACD is strengthening. So for the moment, I'm not going to give up my long positions just because a shooting star was observed on the 15-minute chart. My TP is a bit higher than the daily highs, around 99.50, actually 99.55.6. So let's see how the trade will develop, and we are getting there. And as I have explained, I have also entered a short position on pound yen. As I said before, I'm expecting another deep dive of pound yen for the reasons I have explained just a few minutes ago. So how many of you guys have placed any forex positions since the beginning of the day? How many of you have made some money? It doesn't necessarily have to be on my trades. If you have traded any other forex pair, or if you would like me to analyze any of these pairs and tell you what I see, for example, I'm not going to tell you go short, go long. I will just analyze the pairs from an educational point of view. Please feel free to share with me your trading concerns. Stevens made $150 on gold. Well done, Stevens. Elif here made around $30,000 today, and the majority of them were on gold. Very nice to have you to say that you have made any profits on gold. Have you traded any forex pairs though? What about Steven? What about Terence? What about Anne-Marie? What about Roberto? What is the outcome of the forex trading pair, Stevens? Have you made some money? I have closed 3 positions: euro yen, dollar yen, euro dollar. Have you managed to trade any of them and make money? Please share it with us. We are more than glad to hear that our students are making money. Now, if at any point something I say it's not clear, it's your responsibility to ask a repetition of what I said. You said Aussie dollar and GBP I haven't traded, and pound yen you mean? Pound yen. Okay, we are getting there. Okay, Aussie dollar, we are getting there. Patience, patience, patience. Exactly. Patience is the key. Of course, as you can see, in case it goes wrong, I always have my hedge positions and pending orders. Instead of hitting stop loss, why shall I hit stop loss on any of these trades? I'm just reversing them instead of using stop loss. And if the reversing trade hit take profit, instead of suffering, let's say $1,000 of loss, I will make money of $300, $400, $500. That's my philosophy when I'm trading the hedging risk management trading strategy. Why hit stop loss and suffer $1,000, $2,000 of loss? Reverse your positions with a bigger position size, and if any of these trades close, you are making money, $300, $400, $500, $600. If the trade goes straight as you wish, like we have done on euro yen, dollar yen, and euro dollar, you are enjoying a bit, some thousands of profits. So that's my philosophy when I'm trading. You have my pending order levels there. You have the position sizes. You can calculate the position sizes using the Excel spreadsheet I have sent to your account managers regarding the position size you can open. Maybe you want to open half a lot. That's the initial position size, the 5 lots. This is the first reverse position, 10.75 lots. If you put the initial position size there, automatically the Excel gives you the next reverse position size. Now the levels, you get them from me straight away. If you wish to follow us, I repeat, at your own personal discretion. So this is the current Forex update that I have. So let's go a last round. 2 pending buy trades on silver were executed last night. One is in profit, one is not. Okay. Silver, you need to talk terms with a leaf. A leaf will give you the direction, let's say the opinion about silver, the analysis about silver, just to speak more correctly. I'm just trading Forex, and you see now that pound yen has started to decline nicely. Okay. And I repeat, if at any point you don't understand what I'm saying, just ask for a clarification on the live trading room. So also, I would like to repeat that if at any point you feel comfortable and satisfied with the profits, for example, maybe you are making $1,000 on dollar CHF, you don't need to wait for my trade to close. You can close it, reopen it, you can close it with a profit at any time you wish. All the same goes for stop losses. If you are not feeling comfortable with the losses, just close them. I'm just presenting the strategy that I'm using for Forex intraday day trading. Now, last but not least, if you would like to know in depth how to work out this beautiful strategy and how to optimize it, you can have a one-to-one session with me on Forex Pairs, and I will be more than glad to share all the back office, let's say, procedures that I make every morning, all the preparations to arrive at the trading decisions when I'm trading live here at Trademy.com live trading room. So enough talking for me. I currently have 5 positions running. I repeat that today, no reversal trades were triggered. For the moment, 100% success rate, $4,800 realized positions, much less, of course, than a leaf. But this is Forex. This is Forex. You cannot overdo it, because if you overdo it, it's a very dangerous thing to do. So steady and keep calm. So that's all I have for the moment. Let me repeat my positions. I'm short Aussie dollar, long dollar CAD, short the Kiwi, long dollar CHF, short pound yen. We are monitoring now the chart of pound yen. Our worst performer for the moment, currently losing us $600, is the Kiwi. Our best performer for the moment is still, since the morning, dollar CHF, but I suspect that soon pound yen will become our best performer, since I repeat, I'm expecting a sharp decline on pound yen to happen, hopefully within our live trading room session in the afternoon. So these are my current Forex updates. Let me check the news announcements as well. No, we don't have any news announcements. Remember that we are monitoring the news from our partners portal website, forexlive.com. Let's see what's going on with the Kiwi. Okay, it's rebounding a bit. It's a huge question mark, the Kiwi. What will happen with the Kiwi? It's trying to recover above the MA50. That's why the reverse position is getting ready to be triggered. If we see new daily highs, most probably, guys, we are going higher, and most probably we'll reapproach the MA of 200 periods. However, nothing has happened from what I say so far, so we keep our short positions on the Kiwi. Let's check Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar, same attitude. Aussie dollar, slightly more bullish the Aussie dollar than the Kiwi, from the fact that it's trading above the MA50, but is trading well below its MA 200 period. So I'm expecting also a reversal anytime soon to the downside, unless we see new daily highs. If we see new daily highs, then most probably our buy stop orders will be triggered and we are going up and making money. What else, guys? What else? Dollar CHF is developing very nicely since the morning. I told you before that I see a shooting star here, but on the 15-minute chart is not a reason to give up any buy positions. And we are monitoring closely also our last trade, our most recent trade that I have informed you about it. Pound yen is getting ready for a dive, and I believe we will see it live here at Trademy.com. So we are aiming for pound yen for another $1,540, $45. Currently, we are making $300 on pound yen with our 5-lot short position. We will simply wait and see how the trade will perform. I repeat, if you feel comfortable at any moment with the profits, you just close the trade and you go and have some fun. So that's all I have for the moment. 5 positions, 5 pending reversal orders. Let's see how the day will develop. We had some questions about silver Elif. Okay, let's go straight to Elif to answer these questions. Thank you.
Hello guys, welcome to the afternoon session here at Trademy.com. Let's see what our indices have done in the afternoon. So basically, after the morning session, a lot of stuff was we're just very slowed down. We had, as you remember, in the afternoons, in the morning session, still 3 trades open. There were 2 gold trades and 1 Italy 40 trade. The Italy 40 trade is still running. The gold trades, they closed by now, and we increased our profits. Let's make it here. We increased our profits to $35,000 so far, $35,815. It's a nice number. We had a nice start in the morning and it went quite nice, but that was it. Afterwards, nothing moved. Now Italy 40 got again a bit of movement, and hopefully we will hit soon our take profit. Now during the afternoon session, when the afternoon session started, it made a move, a small move. There we go. It made a small move and it went up to a profit of $1,000. Now it's again profiting $350. It's okay. But if we compare it, how fast we were profiting throughout the morning, it's quite sad how slow it turned out to be during the afternoon. So, but the trend is there. We don't have also here today any trend reversal, as Kyriakos mentioned, for the Forex pairs. No trend reversal so far. The trend is very clear. It goes down. And we see. So regarding silver, Terence put 2 silver positions. I don't know, he didn't tell us more about them. He didn't tell us if they were sell or long or short. Currently, silver, as the small brother of gold, let's have a look, is also in a very strong downtrend. So especially today, we had very, very strong moves, and right now it's also dropping strongly, but we have to be carefully at around 14 and 265 is a strong support level. Over there we have to be carefully. So Terence, according to your positions, I don't have much details about them, but in general 14.265 is a strong level. Over there it might reverse, and maybe it's good over there to go for a reversal. When you say that the one position didn't open, the question is here if you had the same entry level, if you put the same entry price, if you have the same direction, or what happened and it didn't open. Just let us know with more details so we can get a more detailed answer on it. So let's go also to gold. As Kyriakos already told you, on gold we had today the biggest profits, and all of you, I told you my last trade closed at 1,191. It continued to drop. It dropped another $5 from that point, and after. On Italy 40 we are making right now $1,200. Well, it dropped another $5 throughout the day since that moment. If we would have traded this $5 per, we would get something like around $25,000 extra, but I didn't put any trade at that level because I told you it is crucial. It is crucial from the moment that if it drops, if it close to 1,190, it's a psychological level. It might reverse back. That's why I didn't enter. I believe now I can sell a bit of gold. We have another 9 minutes to go, and I just sold gold. I will go just for 50 cents of drop. I remind you, in the last 1 hour gold dropped. In the last 1.5 hours gold dropped around $5. I'm going now for a drop of 50 cents because as I said, it's a quite I don't want to call it risky, but a reversal can come easily. But I can see over here on my stochastic oscillator that the slope is downwards. That's why I will go with a small move. I'm aiming a small move to get extra some money in, right, guys? I'm not expecting, I'm not trading this position for another $25,000 profit on this trade. I'm just I'm scalping a bit the movement. So I'm putting my take profit on this position 50 cents below my entry level. 50 cents below my entry level is 1,185.70. This is my take profit for this position. You see it's another $2,500. It's a small profit. Okay, the small profit. It's a small move which I'm aiming, just because I want to avoid the risk of further reversal, which at this price it's quite possible. So go back to Italy 40. We are here at Italy 40. Okay, it's starting. Okay, Italy 40. We will get soon here also extra money. Currently, we are making just $600 on it, and my take profit here is at $2,000. Let's see how fast we will get there. Let's see also oil. As I told you, I wanted to trade also oil. I put, as you remember, sell limit order. It didn't get triggered, and it's still, now it's at the price. Let me see where I put the sell limit order, and I removed it later on. I put the sell limit order at 73.680. Okay, if I would have kept my sell limit order, it would have get triggered just right now. So we didn't lose anything. In the contrary, if we enter now our position, we would get even a better price. So let me see if I want to enter it or not, because when I made the analysis, it was on the 5 minutes chart for oil, and after a certain time it doesn't make sense to keep these sell limits, because certain stuff have changed. You know, the movement is done, certain stuff have changed, so it was not nice to use it. So let me see. No, I will not enter any oil trade right now, because we have here a bottom which build up, and I'm ready here to go. I will wait until the American opening, and then I will take actions. As you know, guys, today also Japan is closed. They are on holidays. Last week it was all China, which the Chinese markets were closed, and the Chinese traders were on holidays. And today it's Japan and Canada. I know we have a lot of audience from Canada. As I know, you have right now Thanksgiving. Congratulations, my best wishes. And let's see what we will trade also. We have actually here, you see this support level of oil here, this level. So actually now it's a good time to enter long. Let me see. Guys, I will go long on oil. I just opened a long position on oil, guys. And my take profit on oil will be at 73.990. 990 is my take profit. It's a very, very small profit, as you know, as I told you also before. Today I will try small profits, to go for small profits. So on gold we had, as we said, a small reversal. You see here the reversal. However, we wait and let the market to develop. Now during the opening we might have again a bit an uptrend, and we might increase on gold our exposure. So we were waiting for the American opening. I told you guys this morning the US markets are a bit limited. US markets are a bit limited after the yields, 10 years bond results from America, they are very positive. The US, the NFP data was a positive, had a positive effect. Since 50 years, the unemployment rate was not as low as now, so it's very bullish, although less payrolls, less employed people were announced, less than expected, which still it's okay. And now let me see. Let me see. So we are waiting for the US opening. Wait a moment. Kyriakos, is it urgent? Okay, let's wait for the US opening, and then we will have a short look also on Kyriakos. Gold started to drop again. However, let's get a bit of water to get ready for the US opening. So guys, I hope we will enjoy now the trades. I have a gold trade. Let me see. We will get ready. USA 100 over here. USA 30 here. From next week onwards, we are going to have again a nice. There we go. There is already kind of tension in the market. From next week onwards, we are expecting again active movement on the index markets because of the Q3 announcement of shares. As you remember, during earning release announcement, we are facing high volatility. Okay, I see. During earning release announcement, we are facing high volatility. Okay, there we go, guys. There we go. There we go. USA 100 is dropping. I will sell USA 100, a small USA 100 position on USA 30. I didn't put any trades yet on USA 30. On gold, we started to make money. We are up $800. On USA 30, I don't want to make any decision yet. As you can see, there is a very undefined trend. Very strong undefined trend. USA 100, we started to make money. Yep. Okay, now we can sell also USA 30. Okay, on USA 100, we are putting our take profit at 7,300, 310. There we go. I put my take profit here. On USA 100, on USA 30 Dow Jones. USA 30 is not really moving. I go directly to Kyriakos. He has some updates.
Here we go. We are getting ready to hit take profit on pound yen. We are making currently $1,150. As expected, pound yen is making his dive. There we go, guys. We are very close now, just 7 pips away. But pound yen is such a volatile pair. We will do it in no time. So let's switch to the 1 minute chart. There we go. This is our take profit level. So we are getting ready to hit take profit on pound yen at any moment now. We are very close. We are aiming for $1,540, and this will be our 4th consecutive profitable trade for the day. So there we are, a small correction now, any minute now. Elif, if you have any urgent, you can interrupt me. So there we go. And we are waiting for the pound yen. Okay, there it is now, the new minute. Yeah, it's going up. Okay, Elif, we are back to you. False alert. If it falls down, I will come back.
No problem, Kyriakos. So back to me. We are close to hit our take profit on USA 100 and also on USA 30. On USA 30, we are making, now it dropped. On USA 100, we are making $900. $900 on USA 100, and on USA 30 it's still not very clear. We are moving between $300 profit and the spread. We are moving around. Let's see what's happening on Italy 40. On Italy 40, also not still making a big profit to close our position. Still okay, still moving in our interest. So let's see, maybe on USA 100 we shouldn't wait for long and close our position. What do you think, guys? Shall we close our position on USA 100? Now we are making $700 profit. Now it started to move a bit upwards. If any one of you guys couldn't follow me and it's not clear what I'm doing and how I'm trading, just do not hesitate to contact us via chat to give us your questions. So USA 30 moved a bit against us, and I'm getting ready to sell again USA 30. Just sold again USA 30. Just sold again USA 30, guys. And also here I will get the same take profit to increase our exposure. And we are already making $400 on that position, $500 on that position. There we go. There we go. This is what we want. And our profit is 26,320. Also for this position, we put the same take profit as our first USA 100 position. On USA 100, we get a strong move. Oil is giving us a strong move up. Guys, get ready to hit some take profits. Get ready. I increased my exposure on USA 30 and making right now $600 on that position. Also on USA 100, we are making some money. I think the downtrend started to be a clear... No, I don't want to say something like that. It's not clear yet. But we will get there. So on gold, we are making $600. On Italy 40, we are not profiting yet. So guys, it's enough with this game. Once I get enough my profit, I will close my positions on USA 30 and on USA 100. We are not... The movements are not strong enough to hit our take profits. That's why I will put my take profit very close to, a bit higher than the Bollinger Band. Here is the Bollinger Band. You see that? You can see that, guys. Here is the Bollinger Band. And I'll put my take profit a bit higher than the Bollinger Band on USA 30. On USA 100, it's also enough with this game. I will adjust also my USA 30 positions, take profit, because the movement was not strong enough to get. There we go. I put it to 7,337.85. This will be my new take profit on USA 100. So currently on USA 100, we are making $500. Get ready to hit another gold positions, take profit. Another gold position, take profit. Get ready to hit it. Oh no, it's closed. No, didn't close yet. Come on, come on. It's been already 8 minutes that the US opening started and we didn't close a single position. Not because we didn't want, just because it didn't hit take profit. We put our take profits to high and we have to adjust it. And the direction is not very clear, as you can see. It is also a reduced volatility, and I think this is the next push. During the next push, I will close my positions. I don't want to keep them for longer. Let's see what's going on oil. Okay, oil is giving us a small profit. We are aiming here a profit of $400. Also Italy, 40 needs a bit of time. Okay, guys, sometimes it's, you know, we have to close positions. We need to accept the profits we get and we have to close them. So this is the third candle, which is the attack on the next price, especially on USA 100. Let's see if it will reach our take profit this time. If not, I will close it with a small profit. Currently, we are making $500, and maybe I will close it with this $500 profit and be happy. What do you think, guys? What you think about that? However, Kyriakos, what about you? How the markets are moving on the forex?
Right. So, guys, this is the current situation. I was getting ready to hit TP on pound yen, but now the price is rebounding a bit. Nothing to worry about. Our Aussie dollar position is still lower than today's high. We have the Bollinger Band as a resistance level. It will be very interesting to see how the price reacts if we reach the daily highs and whether or not we will reverse our positions to long. Now, dollar CAD, it has been rising since the morning, but now we see a breakout to the opposite direction. We have a long position at this level. MACD, though, is within a bullish momentum territory, so I'm expecting a bit slightly more downside correction, and then we will continue. This looks more like to me than a bullish flag. So for the moment, it's okay. The Kiwi is stuck there. Anyway, it's a pair that doesn't move a lot, not a lot of volatility. But the good thing about our positions, our short positions, is that it's finding now resistance on BMAs on the 15-minute chart. Dollar CHF, as I said, is rallying to the upside. The price now is trying, it has already recovered for me the shooting star candle formation observed here. I believe that we will shortly break today's highs and move higher and eventually hit our TP. And as I said, pound yen has marginally hit our target, but is now recovering to the upside. It's a very strong bearish momentum for pound yen today. So the MACD is well within a bearish momentum territory. RSI is trying to recover above 30 level. I don't believe it can go much higher than the 35-40 level, and then most probably we tank down again. So this is the update. I'm patiently waiting for the trades to develop. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positions. Best performer for the moment, dollar CHF, making us around $1,000. Worst performer, Kiwi, New Zealand USD, currently losing us around $700. The trades are developing well, and the only thing that it remains to do is to wait and see if we need any adjustments or if the trades we will go straight and hit our TPs. So basically that's all I have, guys. If you have any questions, You can type in the chat room and ask us if you have any questions. Since we are slowly approaching the end of the afternoon trading session, we have around 15 more minutes left. Big movements today on pound yen. We have a good movement on euro dollar. We hit TP. We have entered long positions on dollar CAD. It was doing great. Now it's falling a bit. No worries. We had a great trade short on dollar yen. This is the type of trades I'm looking for. We have still open a long position on dollar CHF. A nice trend here. We still have a short position on the Kiwi. The price now is struggling to recover from the MAs and the Bollinger Bands. We will see, but trading below its MA of 200 periods on the 15-minute chart. Let's see, pound dollar, we haven't traded pound dollar yet, and maybe tomorrow it will be the day for pound dollar. Now, whether I will enter long or short positions, we will see. For the moment, I decided not to trade it today. Euro yen, we had a nice drop. We hit TP. Aussie dollar is currently developing, is going a bit against us. However, we have our hedging buy stop order in place. And if we see daily highs, new daily highs, we will revert to long positions, which technically this means that we will go further up and retest the area of 71. Of course, only time will show if this is the case. Pound yen is declining nicely now, a small rebound, absolutely normal, nothing to worry about. And pound Aussie, that's another pair I would like to trade, and I think I will trade it now. So I will enter short positions on pound Aussie, guys, the last trade for today. So I will open a short position on pound Aussie. I like the setup. So I have just shorted pound Aussie 5 lots. I have just shorted pound Aussie. I have shorted it at 1.84661. My stop loss is at 1.85231 and my TP is at 1.84311. So that's the last trade I am placing for today. I have just shorted pound Aussie. Is more or less the same setup as pound yen. The only difference is that pound yen has broken below its MA of 200 periods. Pound Aussie is trading, as you can see, above the MA of 200 periods. Now, why I have shorted it, since the price is far away from the MA of 200 periods, and we have a strong downtrend accompanied and confirmed by RSI and MACD, I believe that a further drop is highly probable, most probably towards the MA of 200 periods. So the last trade for the moment is pound Aussie. I have just shorted it 5 lots, stop loss 1.85231, and my TP is at 1.84311. So that's the most recent update I have. As you can see, reversal positions are getting ready to be triggered on Aussie dollar and on the Kiwi. Remember to adjust your position sizes accordingly based on the Excel calculation spreadsheet that your account managers have. I have sent them so that you can calculate correctly the position size. If you decide to follow us, the entry levels, you can take them from my screen. I repeat, that is at your own personal discretion to follow us or not on any of the trades I'm placing. Okay, I'm just showing you how I'm trading. The philosophy behind my system is, if a trade is not doing well, I don't want to realize a loss. I want to turn these losses to profit. That's why I'm reversing the positions with higher position sizes, and if any of the two positions close, I'm making money, but not thousands, hundreds of dollars. So if we have a reversal position, we will not get a maximum of $1,750. We will get $400, $500, $600, $700 instead of suffering $1,000 and $2,000 of losses. So that's the philosophy of the system I'm using. If you want to know more about it, you can arrange a one-to-one session with me. If you want to know how Elise is trading and how she's doing her magical stuff, you can again contact your account manager to arrange a one-to-one session with any one of us. So that is the Forex update. I don't have any alternations for the moment, although you can see that the reversal pending orders on the Kiwi and the Aussie are getting ready to be triggered. You see the levels here. Make your calculations using the Excel spreadsheet I have provided you. And if I have any changes, we will talk again. Now, I don't think we will close any more positions except pound yen. Now, this is in a correction mode. I'm leaving the trades run, and when we come back tomorrow, we will see what we did. So currently, we have managed to close 3 straightforward trades, a bit more than $4,800 profit for the day. So that's all I have for you guys for the moment. I don't have any updates. If the trades develop and reverse, I will let you know. Elif, how are the indices?
Hey guys, here I am again. So on the indices we have, wait a minute. So there we go. There we go. On the indices we have again a short pullback, and we are short, as you know, and this means currently our positions are not performing very well, but this is not a big deal. It's just a pullback, as I said. So basically on oil, we hit take profit, as you can see, $455 on oil, and oil makes a big move up. It's a nice setup for going again long, but I will not do it now. I will leave these positions to run. And we increased with our gold position, with our oil position, our profits today to $36,270. $36,000, a nice number. I think it's, I hope you managed also something to close with me, to make any positions with me, and make some profits out of it. We had a lot of gold trades today. Let me see, here we go. We had a lot of gold trades. We had a lot of Italy 40 trades. Italy 40 was in a very nice setup, especially in the 1 hour in the morning. It was such a great setup that we could all the time put new trades, as you remember, and then it stopped a bit the movement, and now it's again in a short recovery mode. So on oil, we made money on oil, and a small profit of $1,000 we made on DAX. So these are the trades. We have still trades running on the US indices. Let's check them as well before we close, but those ones I will let run. You see a small pullback, but this is normal, and then it turns back. Also for USA 100, the same picture, but as I said, I'm expecting a move down here, and I will leave my positions open. So guys, I hope you could enjoy the afternoon session. Roberto, it was your first afternoon session. I hope you could get something new, something which you didn't know. Daniel, for you the same, you had a small trading break, and now you are back with us. And if you guys have any kind of questions, just type it on chat, and we will discuss about it. Otherwise, I wish you a nice afternoon. We made $36,000 today, and we enjoyed our trading day. If you have any questions, just type them on chat. Otherwise, I will see you tomorrow at 8 o'clock here at Trademy.com. So see you guys. Bye bye.